Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I'm just going to do a couple questions from the new assignment that I put out there, graphing and writing linear equations. We worked on solving equations and equalities. Now what we're going to be doing is graphing those linear equations and equalities. So I'm just going to do a couple questions, kind of show you what needs to happen. All right. On this one, they're basically saying you got a line here, and you can see that it's a negative slope. So from left to right, you can see it's a negative slope. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to find a place where the line is going through a corner, like here. And so you're going to click on it. And then you're going to go down to another place where, oops, that's not a good one. Oops. All right, let me make this a little bigger so we can see that better. All right, so this is definitely one. And here's a point down here. So I'm gonna click again and come over here. So basically, once you see this, let me see, can I take a picture? Yeah, so basically we've gone down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We went down 5. And then we ran 2. So the slope is the rise over the run. So we're going down 5, that's why it's negative, and then we go to the right 2. So the slope is a negative 5 over 2, which is our answer. So now I can delete this, and I'm going to put in a negative 5 over 2. I need this negative, and then 5 divided by 2, and then I submit it, and it says nice job. All right, so I'm gonna move on. Now this one, basically all we're gonna do is we're gonna use the slope formula, and the slope formula is gonna be given to us. So whenever they give us 2 points, we can use the slope formula. So let me take a quick picture. All right, so this is the slope formula. M stands for slope. It's going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Y's always go on top. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So here's what I'm going to do. It's going to be, on the top, it's going to be a negative 1 minus a negative 5. And then on the bottom, it's going to be 1 minus 9. So from here, I just need my calculator. So let me go grab that right here. And I'm going to use the stack fraction. I'm going to put in a negative 1 minus a negative 5. And then on the bottom, I'm going to put 1 minus 9. Press enter. Tells me, it simplifies it. It's going to be a negative 1/2. So I would go, let's go back to my iPad, delete this. I would put in a negative 1 over 2, and then I would submit it. All right, that's it. So it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, now let's see here. Now this one, all it is whenever you have y by itself, whatever the coefficient of the x term is, that's going to be the slope. So in this case, the coefficient of the x term is 1 over 5, so that's the slope. Now this one should be pretty straightforward. So it's just going to be 1, oops, not times, 1 divided by 5. Oh, sorry, we're looking for the y-intercept. I thought we were looking for the slope. The y-intercept is the other number, so the minus 2. So my bad, I didn't read it. So minus 2, submit it. All right, let's do another one. I think, now this one, they want the slope. So the slope for this one is going to be a negative 1. So we would say a negative 1. Now this is only true when you get y by itself. Whenever you get y by itself, whatever the coefficient of the x term is, that's going to be the slope. All right, let me see what else we got here. All right, now this one, they gave us a slope, they gave us a y-intercept. So y-intercept means that's where you're going to begin. So I'm going to go to the y-axis, and I'm going to go to a negative 3. put a dot there, and then I'm gonna use the slope. So watch. I'm gonna try to take a picture. Come on. iPad is acting up. All right, so now, the slope, what was the slope? It was, oops, oops. I got it cropped out. All right, so there we go. So we started at the y-intercept of a -3. The slope is a -2/5. So all we're gonna go do is we're gonna go down 2, and then we're gonna rise to -2, and then we're gonna run. So we're gonna go down to 1, 2, and then we're gonna run 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be our point. And our line will go through there, okay? But that's what they want you to do. So let's go and do that. Boop, boop, boop. All right, so go down 2, and then go over 5. This is our other point. That's the slope. You can see it's a negative slope. It's sloping downward. Let's see, this one is graph line from equation. Same stuff. So they gave us the equation this time. The first thing you're going to do is use the y-intercept, because that's where you start. So I'm going to go to a +1, and then I'm looking at the slope. The slope is a -1/6, so I'm going to go down 1, and then I'm going to go to the right 6. So there's my other point. So that's the equation of a line. Now you guys can graph this if you need to on your calculator, but these should be pretty easy. It's just rise over run. So we're going to practice this. Of course, you can use your calculator. Now this one, they gave us a line, and they want us to come up with the equation. So let me take a quick picture. All right, so this right here is the slope, or the y-intercept. So it's going to be y equals, I'm going to put a -3 here. And then all I know I'm going to have an x. I just need to find the slope. So I'm going to do rise over run to find the slope. So I'm going to start from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went down 5. And then I'm going to run 1, 2, 3. So the slope is a -5/3. So that's what we're going to put on the, that's what we're going to put here. So it's going to be y equals, and then what was it? It was a -5/3. I believe that's what I said. -5/3 x, and then it was -3 for the y-intercept. I think that was right. Yeah, got it. All right, yeah, that's it. This was a little longer. It's about 8 minutes, but that's it. So that's basically what we're going to be doing for the next week. So yeah, if you have any questions, definitely let me know. And if you need me to go deeper or do more problems, I can. So I'm going to stop, and I'm going to post this.